This video is about how to say goodbye to diaper rash. I am making this video especially for all you new mothers out there and going to be mothers who are planning to use diapers for the newborn but having a lot of doubts in their mind whether or not I should be using diapers. If I use diapers, will my baby end up getting rashes? Absolutely no, guys. Your baby will not get any rashes. I am telling you this out of my own experience. My baby's, she's been using diapers since day one and she's 6 months old now and she's never faced a single rash issue, guys. Touch wood. I'm completely honest about this. She's never faced a single rash issue. It's only because I have been, following certain steps right for her. That is why she's not faced this issue. And even I have got a lot of advice from my friends and relatives saying that don't use diapers for your newborn, wait until they turn 3 months old, then you can go ahead and use diapers. But I never listened to such advices, guys. I wanted to test and try for my baby, and I wanted to do certain steps right and check if my baby does not face any rash issues, and it worked really well for me, and I am going to share the same thing with you, so please keep on watching. The first thing that you need to have is a good diaper. The diaper that I have is Pampers Active Dry. It's a diaper style pamper. It's a really good diaper, guys, and it's quite convenient for me. I've faced no issues using this diaper. It's very easy to just slide it on and put the strap on for your baby, and in no time you can put this diaper on, and it is very easy to dispose this diaper as well. You need to just roll this and then put these straps on, and this is how you do it. And this entire diaper will be secure, and you can just trash this in the trash can, and your room will not stink of potty. Another thing about this diaper is it's got this yellow color indication line, which you can see here. This is nothing but, when this changes to blue, you need to change your baby's diaper immediately, guys. So I'm sure you must be having this thing in your mind as to how long should I keep my baby's diaper on. You need to keep your baby's diaper on not more than 2 to 3 hours, guys. You need to change them, and your stool diaper, you need to change it immediately. Please do not wait for too long to change your stool diaper. These things would cause rashes. So okay, the next thing that you need to do is you need to have a very good wet wipe. The wet wipe that I use for my baby is from Mini. It's a wet wipe. Ensure that you buy a wet wipe that is alcohol free and paraben free. It is very important, because if you buy which has alcohol and paraben in it, your baby will end up getting rashes. So the one that I use is Mini. This is really good, guys. Prior to this, I was using Mother Splash, which has 90% water in it. Even that was very good. That went out of stock, and I bought this, and I really like even this. I have not faced rash issues after changing my wet wipes. I like this because it's got this aloe vera extract in it, and it's got a little bit of fragrance, which is nice. That's why I like this. So how do you use wet wipes on your baby? Guys, ensure when you use your wet wipes on your baby, you do not be harsh on your baby. Be very gentle. That is very important. If you be harsh, it will end up getting rashes. Always be very gentle and go from up to down motion, guys. It's very important. You go up to down. Never go from down to up, because this would cause urine infection, especially if you have a girl baby. Doing down to upward motion will cause urine infection. So please keep that in mind. So please follow this, and the final step that you need to do is apply a diaper rash cream. That is the very important step, guys. Please keep in mind that you apply your diaper rash cream every time you change your baby's diaper, not when your baby gets a diaper rash. It is absolutely wrong, guys. I remember, a lot of them have told me that, I don't use my diaper rash cream every day or every time I change my baby's diaper. I use it only when, the baby gets diaper rash. I don't really understand why you need to wait till your baby gets a diaper rash, guys. Don't do such things, because rashes are very painful. So please don't wait for them to come. So apply the rash cream. The rash cream that I use for my little one is from Sebamed. So this is really good, guys. I just cannot live without this. It's absolutely an amazing cream. It's a little expensive, but you can actually spend a little bit of money on this, which would save your life as well. It actually, you can use this for more than 3 months. So please go ahead and buy this. I really like this cream. It's got this thick consistency that you can see. You can use this much and spread evenly on your baby. So once you're done doing this, you can just put the diaper on and you're good to go, guys. Your diaper change task is done. So please follow this every time you change your baby's diaper. I hope this video was helpful and informative. Guys, I'll be making more such videos on my channel. So please stay tuned to my channel and subscribe to my channel so that you can get notification as and when I post videos. It was really nice talking to all of you. Have a nice day. See you once again. Bye-bye.